My friends, family, and fans from around the world, this is Friday. Well, this is Matt's along, but today is Friday. And I do a trade review every single Friday, and that was pretty much his idea. He was like, hey Jeremy, maybe you should review trades that people do so that we can all learn together. So let's go ahead and dive into a trade that an individual trader from real life trading took, placed, and traded. And I'll talk about why it was good, why it was bad, what worked, what didn't work, and what could have been done better, and what could have been done great. So let's dive in. Friday trade review. Let's go talk about Cloudflare for one of my most profitably prolific day trades in about 24 hours. This is a gap and go generally, but I want to talk about why we shorted it today. Let's go back to yesterday in the afternoon swing trading room. Net's gapping up. Net's been much stronger than Fastly in every way imaginable. It probably does fail tomorrow, though. I don't think it gaps and runs, right? It's a good gap on good earnings. It probably runs a little bit higher. If I had to guess, probably trades into like 76 and then probably steamrolls over the rest of the day. So that analysis, about 175 people watched me talk through that on Cloudflare. Here's the 100 simple moving average on the daily chart. That was at 77.51. I did a limit sell at 77.54 with a stop loss at 78.54. Here's what that looks like on a 5-minute chart. Again, very similar to the analysis I talked about in that afternoon room, right? We broke up, we trade into the 100. Obviously, it almost got stopped out. Thank you, Harry Potter. And then this stock rolled over amazing. I mean, this was so good. Truly a work of art. Very lucky that it worked, but sometimes it's good to be lucky and, again, plan things ahead of time. So this particular trade, I actually didn't have a chance to adjust it before it hit 2 Rs. I would have held for a little bit more, I think. At least I think I would have. But I had the entry set up, stop loss set up, had a 2R OCO bracket, and it happened so fast. I mean, this literally occurred over a 7.5 minute time frame. Triggered, 5-minute candle, and then hit. I could have adjusted it, but I was watching it, whatever. Long story short, it could have been like a 5R trade almost. Let's see. Yeah, there has been 5 Rs right there. If I held all the way to the end of the day, it wouldn't have happened. But 6 Rs, that's just silly. So that is your Friday trade review, guys. Long story short, listen to the afternoon room. You should probably subscribe to it. Number 2, plan your day trades in advance. Number 3, use a bunch of different moving averages to help you with your analysis. You can see that we failed the 100 on the daily, but we also gapped up into the 10 and 20 EMA. Those are both right around there, right about the exact same place I shorted. So both of those acting as a good resistance. Anyway, great day trade. Oh, also, one more thing. I'm going to be in Celebration, Florida in 2 weeks for a retreat that one of my buddies is doing. It's going to be a relationship retreat. So me and my wife are going to be in attendance, but I will be doing a stock portfolio review for every single person in attendance and maybe doing some live trading for anyone who's there. If you're in Celebration, Florida, or if you're interested to travel in mid-Florida in May, hit me up. Email me. Here's my email address. Shoot me an email if you're interested, and I'll send you some of the details. Anyway, just something I'm attending, and I'm really excited about doing it. So if you're going to come and hang out with me, let's go do it. All right, you guys rock. Bye. Bam. That's it. Your Friday trade review. Thank you for being a loyal real life trading subscriber to our YouTube channel. And if you're not, what are you doing? Smash that red subscribe button. Click that bell. You rock.